In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads in your Outlook. We'll walk through two straightforward options: using Outlook's built-in ad-free upgrade and using a trusted browser extension to hide ads on the web version of Outlook. Follow along in your browser, and you'll be set in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open the Outlook web app. If you're not already signed in, sign in to your account. Once you're in, go straight to your inbox. On free accounts, you'll typically see ads in the sidebar or a banner area. You might also see sponsored items in the message list. Those are promotional placements that can look like emails, but are actually ads. Now let's look at the built-in option. Find an ad panel in your inbox view and click the three dots or More Options button on that ad area. In the menu that opens, choose Go Ad-Free. This takes you to Microsoft's official ad-free subscription page. This is the simplest and most reliable way to remove ads entirely in Outlook on the web, but note that it requires a paid subscription. If you prefer the official, fully supported route and don't mind the cost, follow the on-screen prompts there to complete the upgrade. If you'd rather not subscribe, there's another way to reduce ads while browsing. Here's the alternative. Open a new tab and search for Ublock Origin Chrome extension. You're looking for the genuine listing in the Chrome Web Store. Open it, review the details to make sure it's the authentic extension, and then click Add to Chrome. Confirm any prompts to finish installing. This extension is a reputable content blocker that can hide most ads on websites, including the Outlook web interface. After it's added, you can optionally pin it to your toolbar so it's easy to see and manage. With the extension installed, return to your Outlook tab and refresh the page. Give it a moment to reload. You should notice the ad spaces are gone or greatly reduced. If anything looks off on the page or a feature doesn't behave as expected, click the extension icon and temporarily disable it on Outlook, then refresh to compare. Keep in mind, extensions only affect the browser where they're installed. If you switch browsers or devices, you'll need to repeat this setup there. That's it. You now know the two practical ways to block ads in Outlook on the web. Subscribe to go ad-free, or install a trusted content blocker and refresh your inbox.